Hey there, and welcome to the Ingles table.
I'm Susie, along with my husband Clark, and we're glad you're here.
Today, we're celebrating Family Meals Month with one of our favorites, chicken and biscuits.
We've already been to Ingles and stocked up on everything we need. So let's get started. First off, this is a really easy meal. You can pop into Ingles after work and pick up everything you need and have dinner on the table, lickety-split. So first thing we're gonna put in our bowl is some milk.
While she's doing that, I'm gonna spray a casserole dish with a little bit of nonstick cooking spray. We've got our oven preheated to 400 degrees.
Next ingredient going into the bowl is sour cream. Ooh, look out. Clark, could you help me by opening up the soup?
You got it.
So that's a can of Laura Lynn cream of chicken soup, instant gravy. Yeah, help me out there. Get it all in there. So spice-wise, what do we have there today, Clark, with our spices?
We've got a little bit of ground black pepper, and we've got one of our favorite all-purpose spices. This is Chef Paul Prudhomme Cajun poultry seasoning. It's not spicy hot. It's just got good flavor.
It's got a good blend of flavors. All right, so
get a little bit of this stuff out of the can.
We've also got black pepper and some parsley because it's pretty. All right, Clark, if you would put the Chef Paul in there for me. Kick it up a little bit. So today we're using Laura Lynn frozen mixed vegetables. This has got a little bit of everything in. They've been put up at the peak of freshness. Corn, lima beans, carrots. What else is in there? All kinds of goodness.
Green beans, corn, carrots, good stuff.
If,
this recipe, we're simplifying it a little bit by using an already cooked rotisserie chicken.
They're the best.
Easy grab and go in the deli area of the store. What I've done here is debone, taking it off the bone, pull the skin off, taking all the chicken meat off the carcass. I'm gonna put that into the casserole dish.
So yeah, those Ingles Rotisserie Chickens are the real time saver. So you're just scattering the chicken in the bottom.
Cover it on the bottom here.
And we've got this delicious vegetable gravy mix. And here we go, look out now. How easy is that? So finish putting that in there. That looks really good, Clark.
All right. This is gonna go in the oven for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna put the biscuits on. 400 degrees. Okay, the timer just went off on the oven. That means it's time to pull the chicken and vegetables out of the oven and top it with the biscuits. Let me grab it out of the oven.
Okay, while Clark's doing that, I'm gonna do the very complicated biscuit procedure. Oh, I'm working hard today. All right, Clark, here's a trivet. If you put that on, I know that's hot.
All right.
So all I'm doing, the casserole is nice and bubbly. Putting on the biscuits.
If we're putting on 8 biscuits, it makes it kind of easy to portion it out when it comes out of the oven.
Now, if somebody brought somebody over for dinner and you need to put a couple more biscuits on, there's room, but tonight we're just serving 4 people, so the 8 biscuits is fine.
I'm gonna pop this back in the oven. This is gonna cook for 30 minutes or so until the biscuits are nice and golden brown. Okay, I'm smelling biscuits. It must be time to pull it out of the oven. The timer just went off, so let's take a look and see if they're golden brown yet.
GBD, golden brown and delicious. Ooh, that's hot, isn't it, Clark?
Oh, these are beautiful.
Look at that. Good. So now, you can't have a biscuit without some butter, so what we did, melted it in the microwave, and we're just painting it on. I should have started on your side so you could finish dressing the casserole.
I'm used to working around you.
Oh, really now?
Yeah. So we're just gonna top it with a little bit of parsley. Adds a little bit of fresh green herbiness.
That's beautiful.
And there you have it, chicken and biscuits in less than an hour.
Thanks to Ingles Rotisserie Chicken for the help in the kitchen. Thanks so much for joining us today at the Ingles table. We've got more great recipes, cooking tips, and tricks on the website. What's that address, Clark?
Visit us at inglestable.com, and until next time,
we'll see you online.